Hello everyone, want to make your images rounded in WordPress? Let me show you how less than a minute. First, open a post or page where you want to add the image. Click the plus button, search for the image block and insert it. Now upload a new image or choose one from your media library. Once the image is added, click on it to select it. On the right sidebar, click the setting gear icon if it's not already open. Go to the Styles tab and select Rounded options. And that's it, customize the Styles tab and your image now has nice rounded corners. Want to fine tune it? You can unlink the corner radius and adjust it manually in pixels. You can also resize the images or choose a different image size from the drop down. Quick, simple and no extra plugins or code needed. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Ultimate Blogs for more WordPress tips. See you next time. Thank you.